Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to create a video render in Tilelook. We'll explore the main features of this type of render, starting from a sample project created using this system. First of all, there's an important step. We need to go into the room settings and specify both the type and the name of the room. This is essential because without this information, it won't be possible to create the video render or make many other changes. Once that's done, we go to the Video 2.0 section and delete any previously created video. Now, we click on Add Clip and choose one of the available preset movements. As you can see, a path is automatically drawn in the 2D view, representing the camera's movement, and we can easily move it around. The two visible points indicate the start and end of the camera path. We can also enable a very nice preview. Additionally, we can change the duration of the clip. By increasing the time, the camera movement will become slower. To change the direction the camera is facing, we click on the clip and apply the target point. Then specify in the 2D view the exact spot where we want the camera to look. Finally, at any time we can adjust the FOV, which is the field of view, the height of the camera and its angle, in order to achieve the desired shot. Now let's proceed by adding a custom clip, clicking on the dedicated section. In this case, we'll simply insert a static image, increasing the duration of the clip from 1 to 3 seconds. We apply the animation and preview it together with our previous clip. Before proceeding with the rendering, we check and, if necessary, adjust the parameters on the left, as already explained in our previous videos. The most commonly used formats are the first two. Once these adjustments are complete, we start the rendering process, which will run in the background. Video renders require significantly more processing time than other types of renderings, especially if high quality is selected and the video is long. Let's now see how to create custom videos. First, go to the Video section and click on Advanced Settings. As a first step, add a curved clip and manually define the camera path. Click on Target Mode to set the camera's focus point and shorten the clip duration by a few seconds. Next, insert a straight path clip, which can also be freely configured according to your preferences. By clicking on each clip, you can access various features to adjust the position of individual points A, B or C, which can be customized as needed. Once you've achieved the desired result, adjust the parameters on the left side as usual and start the rendering. The video can be saved to your computer and easily shared via link.